Hey everyone, it's CryptoGeographic on a special video, and today we will talk about one of the top exchange in blockchain and also crypto world. And I've come with some special events for new users, also traders and inviters. And those events have lots of benefits that I will drop you the details in this video. So if you're not one of our community, subscribe first, let us a like, a comment below, and let's get started. So this is our exchange, it's LBank that we will talk about today, and I will talk about my special event for my community, and also I will show you how to create an account, also how to trade and deposit on this exchange. So the first thing, this exchange is simple to sign up and also not required KYC, and you could withdraw your money easily without KYC, and that's very good. The second thing, as we know here, I have my wallet is already recharged, so from here it's easy to recharge. Just click on deposit, and the exchange offer lots of blockchain networks. So from here we could select our currency as the USDT, the USDC, also the Bitcoin, and we have more and more currencies. So for example, we'll check the USDT. Here we have the networks. So from here we have the PEP20, the JRC20 for lower fees. Here also the ERC20 or the Ethereum network, the Polygon, also the Arbitrum, the Solana, the Tron, the Near, the Chain, and other post network. As we see here at the moment, those two networks, the ASA and the Omni, aren't available and are paused. And here also it's just easy, you select the network, then here we have the deposit address. So you have one thing to do is to withdraw money on this address, and you could start your journey on trading or using the exchange by buying crypto, because LBank has some crypto that has some interesting potential in doing some good profit that other exchange doesn't have. And we will check the security and the reserve on CoinMarketCap to have more data about this exchange. So from here we will go to the CoinMarketCap. So as we see here, they have a high trading volume per 24 hour. As we see here, what is LBank? So LBank is a globally based centralized exchange, the CEX platform that was established in 2015. So this exchange has over than 10 years experience. The platform allows users to buy and sell major crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum in over than 131 fiat currency with over 55 payment methods. The company has license from the National Future Association, Italian Organismo degli Argentino, I don't think this name is in Italian, and money service business in the United and Canada. So this exchange, it's legalized, it's certified by a lot of countries. Here we have the financial reserve. As we see here, it's close to $2 billion. So if somehow there is a hack into the exchange, no problem, because they have a high reserve. Here we have also the token allocation. On CoinMarketCap you have the transparency on each exchange or coin, so you could check it every time you need. And as we know, crypto is a volatile market, it's affected by news, so you should always be updated and tuned about everything in crypto. And now we will return to the exchange to see the homepage. So here we have the discover the era of meme coin legend. So here we have some meme coins available on this exchange. Here we have some events, but my events are better. So here we have the LBank Trading Carnival, the exclusive for new users spot trading frenzy, and the LBank Deposit Bonus Carnival, and the Transact Fiat Frenzy. So now I will talk about my event that I provide for you as my subscribers. You will find the link to benefits from this event in the video description. So the first event is for new users. So if you deposit over than $100, you will get $450 on the futures trading bonus, and that's yours. So you could trade on major crypto coins as the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, also the BNB, Solana, and other futures coins. And the second, you get a $50. So first thing, if you get $100 deposit, you will get $450. and plus the $3,000 trading bonus, you will get easy $400 trading bonus. And as I mentioned before, you could trade on all futures token and keep the profit. So if you use the margins, you will do lots of profit, but be aware and use the risk management this exchange. And finally, we have the third event for inviters. So if you use your invite referral link and invite other people as your community or just friends, you will get per $10. So you could withdraw it or trade on it, on usage, on crypto, or anywhere you want. And now we will continue seeing this exchange and why we will choose it as a trader. So here we have the seed trading opportunity. So here we have lots of coin. We have the list here with the favorite. As we see here, we have the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Solana, the XRP, the Doge, the TRX, and here you could add more favorite coin. Here we have also the hot coin. So they're having a high or a down. So here we have some coins, the last price, the change, the trading volume. As we see here, this coin had a trading volume of $53 billion, and that's huge. But I think it will do a correction. I didn't see this chart, but $53 billion is a high trading volume. Here we have the top coins. So as we see, we have the Bitcoin as first, as we know always. His last price, here the Guinness coins. So we see the coins that has some potential, and we will check the change on 24 hours. So here we have this coin. It's a meme coin, as I think. They have a change of 560% just today. And that is huge. We have other coins here, the house, the candle. We will see lots of coins are doing some great move. Here we have also the hot futures. As we see here, we have on the futures the coin available. We have the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the XRP, the Sol, the Tramp, the Doge, the EDA, the PIP, and also the S3. And all those coins you could trade it using the crypto bonus affordable with LBank on my events. And from here we have the future copy trading. We have a 1,350 lead trader with a cumulative profit of over than $12 million. Here we have some copy trading with their P&L, so you could check the profit made by these users. And here we have the application. So LBank, it's available on App Store, also TestFlight, Google Play, and Android APK, and also Android, or you could use it just usually with your browser. And here we have the cryptocurrency exchange trusted by millions. So why am as a user I will trust LBank? So first thing, we have the fabulous trading experience, the 24/7 customer service, the security and compliance, and as we mentioned before, they have a reserve and the global research. Here we have they have over than 800 token niche. We have also a 24 trading volume of over than $4 billion with over than 15 million users and 210 countries and region covered with LBank. So here you could start your crypto trading journey just easily. So you open your account, sign up instant with your email or phone to create an account, deposit into your wallet, and then start trading. And I will open with you a trade and show you step by step how to open a trade for beginners on LBank. And for now, we're on the trader section on LBank, so we will trade on futures. So as we see here, we have some the great futures as the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and you could see all futures available. So we have lots of futures as we see here, and now we have a high margins as it can reach 200x from here. This is a higher margin, but be aware and use the risk management as we know. So here why you should work with the margins safely and use the risk management. So we have the liquidation risk, also the volatility risk, the leverage risk, the margin call risk, and the fee risk, the platform risk also, and the emotional risk. So you should be aware of those points because you could risk your budget or your capitals on margins because you do a great profit but also a great losses. And now we'll go back. So we will choose a margin of X20 per example. Then we'll see the news about Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap and see if the market is bullish or no. So from here we could check it briefly. So till the moment the market cap is down by 1%. The volume on this 24-hour is down by 47%. The community think that this market is bullish. As we see here, we could see more details about it. So as I think we'll open a short trade because we're trading in a short period, because I want to drop the results of this trade on my Telegram channel. So wait me there and I will drop it once this trade is done. So from here we'll trade with $100 or USDT. As we can see here, it's 100 USDT. So we will open a short trade from here, then we'll confirm it, and that was all. So guys, I can show you the trade results on the next video, or just drop you the PNL card on my social media as Twitter and also Telegram channel as I mentioned before. And for those 10 seconds, as we see here, we did a profit of 1.3 USDT, but we will wait. So the leverage of the margin is very high. As we mentioned, you could do some interesting profit, but some big losses also. And guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you like it. So don't forget to check the event that I bring for you as a new users, also traders, and for inviters. That will be very beneficial for you and you could do some big profit with it. If you're watching till now, don't forget to like the video, let us a comment below if you have any question or inquiries, or just you want to drop something in the comment section. Subscribe if you're not one of our community. I'm sure you will not regret it, and see you in the next video.